Alright. Off to the anime store. Alright, okay, the durability thing is in here. Yeah, he did call right there. Book, no, I don't want hell. No, not skateboarding. Where's manga? Japanese composition. There we go. Okay. Dude, no! Stop! Okay. There we go. I progressed. What do you mean I progressed? I've gotten better at this game. Hey James, how you doing? Oh, hang on. Where is he? What? You stop. They never came in here before. Oh, bastards. Naughty Findeath went to the porn section. What you mean the porn section? The Japanese... Oh, you mean the hentai, didn't you? Oi, what?
Damn it!
Who are the weebs? I don't know. They're actual Japanese Shinichi and Yui. Bow to me. Bow to me. Bow to me.
Fantastic!
Nice. Wait, that being called comedy is a bit racist, I'm not gonna lie, but... Alright, so you're not gonna take these. Very well. Shotgun. Shotgun.
Roger.
Alright, comrades. Also, zombie. Alright, anyway, now where's that? Where is it? I know, you said there was a book here for durability. Back at the store called Criminal Biography. Alright, okay. Perfect. That'll be great. Ooh.
Trees!
Thank you, Highway, for donating a lot of subs to many different people, including Viking Nephilim. My god, he'll be surprised he gets access to my emotes.
Trees!
Thank you, though. That's really appreciated. Now I'm up to 11 subs. Okay, alright.
Over there!
Comrades, you're gonna stay here. And you're gonna shoot that clown.
Trees!
Anyway, thank you for this, for, well, following me to get the subs, you 5, and Iway for subbing. Wait. Okay.
Trees!
Right. We are ready. Ready for the eternal war. Mr. Clown? Mr. Clown? Run away. Nope.
Over there!
Nope, nope. Get back, get back.
Trees!
Alright, Adam, get over here.
Over there!
Thank you, Ed the Dunderhead, for following. Okay. Run away, run away. Adam! Adam! Ow! He hurt! He hurt! I know he hurt, but... What the fuck are they...
Trees!
Oh god, thank you. You got tacked back. Oh shit, there was a photo bomb. Oh shoot, you there. Adam. Adam! God damn it, Adam. Okay. Keep going, keep going. Go here. Your kid will not go to college for 18 years anyway, trees. Oh shit! Why? Are you up here? Fine, you stay here. Oh! Otis, I swear to God. He fell off again, didn't he? He fell off. Discord having issues. Yeah, C said it was having issues earlier. Okay. You two. Get over here. Alright, where's Adam? He's underneath, right? Oh, no, he's not.
Over there!
Alright. Altis is getting on my last nerve. Altis, I am currently quite busy. He's down. Okay, alright, firing positions. This fight should not be taking as long as it is. Where is he? Where is Adam? Ah, there he is.
Fantastic.
Alright. At least he's getting attacked. Blow up the balloon. Okay. Oh, shit. Run. I am really not doing my best I can, am I? Where? Where? Is this incompetent boot? Oh, there he is. Just, come on. It's your fucking gas attack. Gas attack. Ow. Oh shit! Just keep running. Shoot my lads. Shoot my laddos. Shoot! Just kill him! Kill him! Kill him! Now! There we go, he's dead! You're... Okay, there we go. Oh shit, right. This dude. I have to rescue this guy. Almost forgot. How could I? Oh my god. Alright. Oh shit. Ah! Wait, there's two of them. What? Oh shit.
Fantastic.
Perfect. What 2 chainsaws could I rescue that dude? Alright.
Over
There. Oh, the slaughter! Or actually, wait, hang on. Queen! Queen! Give me queen.
Frank.
What? Are you... Okay, thank you.
Come on. Frank.
Okay. Oh, God, Greg. 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 Just get a move on, Greg. I can't be here waiting for you the whole time. Get to the ladies' bathroom. Okay, sorry for that, Greg, but you weren't listening to reason. Wait, is he getting damaged? Okay. Greg, I would really appreciate it if you didn't jerk me around like this and... Wow, that was a long-range sniper shot.
Yeah.
Okay, that actually did damage to me.
Follow me.
Okay, alright.
Come on. Okay.
Alright, come on. Get here. Get over here. Get over here. Okay, alright. Ooh. Oh shit, I left Shiniji. Shiniji,
Follow me.
get over here. Alright. Oh, yeah, I'm actually on 1 health, so I need to save. But... Oh, it's good that I got the second chainsaw.
Come on.
Okay, can I stop rolling around? I would love it if I did. I actually feel like I'm gonna die if they... Okay. Alright. Come on, you lot. Get over here. Okay, I am gonna die. If I do die, I'm just gonna have to,
Go.
Okay. Alright. Alright. They'll deal with that. It'll be fine.
Follow me.
Da-da-da. Clearing the way for my imposter thieves.
Go.
Alright.
No way.
Come up. Can you guys... my dudes. My dudes. My...
Follow me. Follow me.
What the...
Go.
Can I remove the magazine and not willing to, you know, do anything? Also, clear these zombies out for me, please, with your guns. Go!
Yeah.
Attack! Attack!
Go. Help me.
Alright, there we go.
Give me a hand here.
Okay, so I'm gonna do that.
Wait. Help me.
Why are they yelling help when they have the guns? You have the guns! I'm gonna let you get hit by those parasites as a punishment. You... Ooh.
Come on.
Oh, queen. My queen. I got a replacement queen. Okay, alright. Alright, here's what we're gonna do, laddies. I'm going to ask for my shotgun back.
Gotcha.
Thank
Thanks
you.
a lot.
Baseball bat. Give me that shotgun back.
Yes. I appreciate
I
it.
like shotgun. Okay, alright. Let's just go then.
Go.
And maybe I'll level up and heal automatically, or I'll just eat whatever food is in the area. Oh, imagine. Oh. Oh, I've never actually seen that bit before. Usually there's someone else speaking when I ask her in the back. Alright. Level. Nice. Oh, and here's the... that story bit. Alright. Hello, Brad. Okay, alright. Now I need to get the 2 remaining things. Thingamajigs. And then maybe I can dump this. Don't know actually. Right. Let's see. Otis is very keen to go on an adventure apparently. Shadow of North Plaza. That's an escort. Fairly sure that is an escort. Alright. I guess I could use some of these to help me there. I'm sure I can. I'll be fine. Oh, just use the chainsaws actually. Leave the guns for real challengers like the Vietnam guy.
Oh.
Except for that zombie. Zombie had to die. You know. Okay, alright. Dicks. Dicks. Nuts. Ass. Alright, okay, so what was it? Was it engineering? Yeah, I'm gonna drop that. Let's see. Actually, no, it wasn't it. Oh no, it was engineering. Okay. Alright, because I see there's double right there. Alright, I see. I should probably drop one of the shotguns for the next one. Wait 1 sec. Fuck off. Hold on. No. Horror was not it. Entertainment. Okay, there we go. I am now invincible. Alright. Now that I'm invincible, let's save the game. Alright, right, North Plaza. Was that effective by fast travel? Yeah, fast travel will be the easiest way to get there. Let's go. Oh, thank God I know I found these durability books. Thanks you guys. You guys have been very helpful with it. Right. If I see a big clump, I'll just zap through them like that. Alright, so it's going to take so many hits to get run out, like 1,000 at the very least, for each one. I just realised I'm going to have to deal with that cycle in the food store with the melee weapon. Oh well, chainsaw is overpowered. Chainsaws, not swords. Oops. Alright. For quite a long time. Wait, can I get through there instead? If I attack it? Alright, come on, David. Come on. Alright. Okay. Alright. Nope, I can't get through there. Okay. No! Nope, nope. Your life is not worth that. Hang on.
I can't believe this.
There we go. It's worth that. Alright. Okay, jumping maggots, don't come after me yet. Alright then. We're off this way. You know, I said this once before and I'll say it again. The hitbox is so much smaller when you're in this mode. I love it. Zombies just don't hit you as much often. They still hit you sometimes, but... Maybe we should have a longer stream today, like... Yeah, I think I'll have a longer stream today, just try and get up to where I go. Oh my god. Come on, David. We got hit once. We can do it, David. We can reach the exit. No. Don't detach from me. Alright, Mr. Fast Zombie, just get away. Get off. I wish I had a David the whole time. Alright, okay. David, get off me. We're getting shortcuts. They're not lunging. It's perfect. Alright. Alright, well this bit's gonna be tricky. We're gonna have to leave him here. Okay. There we go. Perfect. Perfection. Just aim for perfection and you shall never fail. Alright. Okay, David, you are gonna be unfathomably slow, so get up there and let me... Well, you got up there pretty damn quickly. I was gonna be so mad if he fell it. Called me Captain Titus, dude, yeah. Oh, shut up, David. Right, okay. Zombies, no, he's just talking about zombies. My dude, you need to learn to chill. Reading chainsaw like a boss. Indeed. Indeed. Hang on. I've got a Space Marine voice. Right, is this the Space Marine voice? Hang on, I want to see. Yeah, this is my Space Marine voice. By the Emperor, it shall be so. Sorry for using my voice changer. I didn't actually. Haven't used that in such a long time. Ooh, I love it. Alright, everyone's just sleeping. Alright. You didn't... Are you sure? Advanced audio properties? No. Oh, God. How did I mess up? Oh, shit. I dropped 11% frames. Okay, my network was really bad, I guess, at one point. Right. Yeah, I see what you guys mean. Right, so... Where is it? Advanced. No, it's not under advanced, right? Audio. Shit. Voice... Okay, hang on. It should be voice mod. Okay. Voice mod. There we go. And if it's back up, I'll just have an ordinary. That actually sucks. Okay, apply. Okay, there we go. Let's see. Is this it?
Fine. Oh my god, somebody. Alright, so you hear this one?
Okay, okay. Shit. What? This should be fine, right? Okay, thank you for letting me know that the voice changer was fucked up there. Also, am I way too loud now? I'm probably way too loud. Advanced audio properties. Let's reduce that down to like 2.5 decibels. .5 decibels. That should be fine. No, keep it. What? But it's hitting the roof. I was too low before. Okay, I guess voice mod must have gotten disconnected or something, but it's fine. This volume's fine, right? Ooh. Okay, yeah. That's my bad, guys. I'm so sorry. Alright. Alright. Next time, tell me when I'm too low. Okay. Alright. So, it went from Flurry to me, I had to raise the volume a lot, yeah. My bad, I apologize. I was wondering why I was really low in the recordings. Well, good thing I decided to take my voice changer for a while, isn't it? Ooh. But yeah, it was Chaos Space Marine for you then. That's interesting. That was an ordinary Space Marine. Alright. What are we doing? Is this just fuck around time? Because if so... What can I do to fuck around? Alright. Well, I guess we can have a change of clothes. So, hang on. Right. Change clothes. Alright, well, I got some shoes. Got some shoes to match my whole car look. Ooh. Oh, no! Get off! It must have reset like that once voice mod disconnected one other times. That would be very strange. Alright. Well, the CDs here. Not really much else as far as I can see. Just a giant CD collection. Oh boy. Very useful in the apocalypse. Oh. Get away, you. Alright, you know what? What I have to do. I have to get... Get some milk or something. Okay, there's no milk. I guess we're eating pie. We're eating from good old mama's pie. Was that a right American accent? Because I don't honestly know. Alright, so tell me, how loud are you hearing the key taps? Because Mike doesn't say it's picking it up, but I have my doubts. Well, there's no other mission I can do, so I'm gonna wait back at the base thingamajig. Wait, hang on. No, I know what I can do. Get another chainsaw. Yep. That is my mission in life, to get as many chainsaws as I can with Wonderful Modifier. Although if there is another book, maybe I should grab it, but I don't think there is. Then again, I could be wrong. Okay. Alright. Here we go. Yeah, chainsaws. Oh, no! Ma'am, I did not consent to that. Did not at all, so kindly piss off. Yeah, what I'm gonna do, go back to stay for him. Decided. Not much else I can do. Well, aside from heal up, but... I ain't gonna do that. Alright. Okay. Oh. If there is any other cool outfits or cool things I should check out, by the way, I would love to know. Enlighten me. Da 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 da. La-di-dee, la-di-dee. I'm carving my way through many zombies. Very visceral. Well, at least for this time.
Yeah.
Alright. Do you think I'll even need to give guns to survivors after this? I don't think I will. I mean, no, never know, I might, but... Okay. Cafe crema. Crispy creme. Alright, quick save of the game. And then we wait and AFK. You know, while I'm AFKing, I'll probably grab some food just to keep me going for a little bit. Alright. Chainsaw's not flashing or anything, so we're fine. Lego head is better than the usual head. Yeah, well, it's an icon, sir. Also, did an alert come up? Yeah, the alert didn't come up.